Do you suggest day trading as a side job or full-time? I don't suggest day trading at all. And the reason I say that is because, and this was a big topic in last week's webcast, is you get fooled by randomness. You might be right a couple times because the entire market's going up and you own stocks, or the entire sector is going up and you own a stock in that sector. But what happens is in the long run, almost all day traders quit or are forced to quit. Because what happens is day traders try to make money, within a couple days or within a month. And even within a month, it's too hard because the average month has 20 trading days or 20 weekdays, and you get fooled by randomness. So I humbly recommend being extraordinarily long-term focused. It's a recipe for disaster trying to time the market. Nobody can do it. And so I recommend reading books that are written about Warren Buffett. And Buffett's picks for reading as well, because he's very long-term focused. And again, I talked about this last week. The longer the view, the wiser the intention. Please don't day trade. I promise you, it won't end well. It won't end well. And there's not that many successful traders you hear of out there. All the great investors like the Warren Buffetts, George Soros of the world, they're longer term focused. So please don't day trade. Focus on fundamentals first, valuation second. And if you're going to focus on technicals, just focus on technicals so it can help you learn when to start buying a bit of a position, like if a stock is oversold, or start taking profits if a stock is overbought, meaning it had a great big run up post earnings or a big catalyst. And you can watch a vlog I made on this topic on technical analysis.